Hey guys, good morning. This is Gaurav here again. You can see that from last night it's been raining so much that almost everything here has been soaked down. These trees, these plants, everything. It's been raining so much, and so deliberately I installed my panniers and made the motorcycle stand for all night. And let's check the panniers whether the water has penetrated inside or not. So let's check it. Let's open it. We can see that everything inside is dry and tidy. You can see that not a single drop of water, right? Now let's check our top box. Yeah, so this is the rear view. Top box not easy to open from one hand though. Holding camera and doing this is a tough job. So it's all dry inside, right? Now let's check the left side pannier. I'm getting wet. So this is the look inside the left side pannier. I kept my jacket. You can see it's all dry. This few drops came from the last video which I shot, which ended up no sound, right? So I'm making it again. You can see everything is dry and neat. So you can trust this panniers from indiYmoto. Latch it back. So this was the overview of the waterproofing of panniers by indiYmoto. So the luggage system is pretty neat with quick release mechanism, and you can install complete all the three luggage boxes, that is the pannier set and the top box, within 40 seconds maximum, and once you are familiar with it you can do it in 15 seconds maximum. Neat. Thanks for watching.